Good morning, y'all. It's a little after 8, and we have no power. The rain has stopped right now. Daniel went out to work and had to turn around and come back home. There was them on the power line. It was sparking, so he called his boss and told him to stay home. So right now, we're having gushes of wind. My front yard right now looks like a battlefield. But the trees are still standing, and we're home and safe. So thank the Lord. It's just something that got to be cleaned up. That's a big limb over there. That one right over there. Yeah.